Hi, Foodie Chef Pete is back today, and Carpizzo's Kitchen is welcoming you in as I make a Greek chicken feta cheese burger. And I'm gonna do it in one pan today. And you know, you can make potatoes as a side, French fries as a side. You can make vegetables. I'm gonna make vegetables today. But what we're going to do is I'm going to make two, so I've got about a half pound, but you can use a pound of ground chicken. I've got about a tablespoon of olive oil in there. I've got a couple of tablespoons of beautiful, delicious lemon juice, 1 egg, and I'm going to start today by taking these sun-dried tomatoes, which is what's going to go in there, and we're going to chop these up. And what I do is I take them out of the refrigerator and they're cold, and I put them in the microwave and I puff them up so that we can have a beautiful...
I didn't realize they're that big.
And then what happens is we just chop these up just like this. We're going to start by chopping them up. This is a piece of the tomato here that is no good. And we're going to get these and chop them up, I want to chop them up. They're nice and soft. Now they came out of the refrigerator, and these are the sun-dried tomatoes that are beautifully done in olive oil. Okay, all right, so there we go. We've got that in here. Now I'm going to just get things out of the way for a minute. And what we're going to do is take these ingredients, and over here I have about a half cup of breadcrumbs. I have some garlic powder. I have a little bit of basil, a little bit of oregano, a little salt, a little pepper, and we're gonna just go right in there just like that. Okay, now there's two ways you can do this. You can go right in with your feta cheese crumbles, or you can make the burgers and then make a pocket and fold them over. I'm gonna put it in because I like the cheese all in everything I'm doing. I just don't want a pocket there. I want it within every bite that we get. All right, so let's take this and start to mix this up. Also, I have 1 egg in here, and let's mix this up. Everything real good. We're mixing him up, and I think it's a little too wet, so maybe to the half cup I'm going to add another half cup of breadcrumbs, and these are Italian style breadcrumbs, and I think that should be good. We'll add another half cup.
What else is there?
You know, you can use plain breadcrumbs if you like. Use whatever you like, okay? If you like plain, use plain. Soup them up. Give them a little flavor though. All right, so now we're getting this all mixed up really nice, just like this.
I can smell it, yeah.
And we've got our sun-dried tomatoes in here with the feta cheese, so this is going to be delicious. Now remember, I gave it, because ground chicken breast is pretty dry, so I gave it about a tablespoon of olive oil. So this is now about where it should be. Very nice. That looks good to me. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do when we come back, we are going to heat this pan up over here, and I've already sprayed it with some olive oil, and we're going to heat this pan up, and we're going to start making our Greek burgers. Okay. So give it a try. Try ground chicken. Ground chicken is not too expensive. It's cheaper than a chicken breast, but ground chicken or chicken breast ground, it all works really well. About $5 a pound. Okay, so there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's. Tune in next as we do the shorts to show you how to get these going in the pan. Pete, out!